KCE College, Inspiring Excellence. How KCE College managed a pass of 78% in Business Data Analytics in August 2023. Out of the 85 students who registered for Business Data Analytics at KCE College for the August sitting, 67 of them passed the paper. This translates to a pass rate of 78% registered by the college, being an exemplary, unmatched, and the very best results in the industry. Actually, KCE College delivers. Snida Amoy, a BDA successful student in August 2023, recommended that those sitting for BDA are to master Excel, AFM, AFR, taxation, and AMA content thoroughly. If you cannot do it on paper, then you cannot do the same in Excel. Those refresher classes were very helpful. She noted this referring to refresher classes offered by the college to BDA students at no extra cost. Helen Morat, in appreciating the efforts of the KCE team, admitted that in all her entire life, she had been technophobic. She reminisced that when I went to KCE College, I was even afraid of holding a mouse. The situation had been worsened by the grapevine that was circulating around that passing BDA exams was next to impossible. Mr. Lawrence was very helpful by giving us refresher classes on Saturdays and Sundays at 2 p.m. Of all the lecturers who taught us BDA, I must single out Mr. Lawrence. His approachable and friendly attitude really helped me to gain confidence and eventually passed the paper with ease. Nelson Enyanga, a former KCE student who sat for BDA in August 2023, applauded Mr. Lawrence, CPA John Mark, Mr. Mugo, and CPA Cedric Luznaka for enabling him pass the paper. I remember a question that was in April 2023 City, which was repeated in August 2023. Mr. Lawrence had repeated the question twice before exams. This helped us to pass. In fact, the entire paper was doable. I will advise any BDA student to look for this great team of competency in the field. CPA Cedric Luznaka, the lead lecturer of BDA at KCE College, noted that since the exam has AFM and AFR questions being compulsory, they made the 2 units the key focus areas. He also averred that one also needs to have a solid mastery of the Excel spreadsheet software, to be able to solve the questions. AFM and AFR questions are compulsory in the BDA exams. We mobilized our students to attend CPA John Mark's AFM, FM, AFR, and FR classes for refresher classes at no extra fees. This really helped them to master the content, noted Luznaka. He went further and underlined the importance of regular practice. You need to practice solving CPA questions by use of Excel on self-basis. Below are a few result slips of KCE College students who we randomly interviewed and also consented in writing that we can share their results. Join our WhatsApp group for free trial classes via the link provided in the description box down below. Or directly call us on +25 472 357 9332. Mercy Wairamo, Faith Mukari, Wend Rosa Karambu, Nelson Enyanga, Linda Chavanji, Martin Kylo. Thank you for watching, wishing you success in your endeavors. Join us for BDA physical classes. We are located in Nairobi CBD at Mutihani House 4th floor, along Mofangano Street, opposite Equity Bank.
We also take this opportunity to inform you that you can watch CPA revision videos on our YouTube channel at KCE College, and remember to subscribe. KCE College, Inspiring Excellence.